Hi, welcome again to my channel. My name is Mayin Asuko. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to tie this beautiful gele. It is a V-shaped bridal gele. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please click on the subscribe button because it is always dripping on this channel, guys. Plus, if you've been here like always, thank you for always coming back. So I started by creating my base pleat, and we are trying to form our V shape, guys. Please, guys, pay attention to this video. So I started by covering one ear and leaving the other side of the ear open, which makes me create like an open half ear. Then I bring the other short, and the ratio for this gele is 65-35, guys. So I bring the other short hand back to the ear to cover it up. I hope you understand it. So this is the shorter hand I'm bringing over to cover the ear, and I created the same base pleat that was on the first one. That was what I'm doing on the second one, and I added like extra two to it. The last one I used in covering to secure my pleat, then I pin it down. So now we are just going to create our crown on top of the plate, just to make our gele firm. Let me leave you guys to watch and enjoy, that way you understand it.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing.
So now that we've pinned our gele at the back and we've rolled the back, we've arranged the back, so we'll come back to the front to arrange our gele properly until you are satisfied with your gele. Then you shift it back. Make sure you shift your gele back. It is very important, and this is what we are looking like. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.